What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bianca here today, back with another amazing video for you guys. Like, I miss saying that. If you can see here my whiteboard, literally it says unboxing YouTube video. There's not even dates there, nothing there, but I was just feeling to record, feeling to get behind a camera for you guys, and feeling to put out some type of content. This is not even the unboxing video that I intended on doing. That's coming in a later video. But you guys, it's been so long. I was supposed to put out my Aspen video and I'm so mad. You guys have no idea. I went all the way to Denver because we flew in from Denver and then we drove 3 hours to Aspen. The nearest Target, as soon as we got to Aspen, I'm like, okay, let's record. And then I had no Sims card, you guys, and then the nearest Target was like 45 minutes away. I wasn't driving 45 minutes away after I just drove 3 hours. I tried to record on my phone, but I had no storage. Yeah. I didn't really try to look at like local stores. I should have, you guys. That's my fault. Like, I'm sorry. But I'm here, I'm back, I'm better. And no one also entered my giveaway. So if you guys are really interested in me doing a giveaway, we'll talk about that later. But yeah, so as you can see, my nice beautiful degree is just hanging there, shining bright. I got my master's degree, you guys. Like, I'm so excited, I'm so happy. So this YouTube video will be me showing you what I got so far. It's been a busy month. Like, May has been a busy month for me. I went to Jamaica, I got promoted, I graduated, so now we're having my picnic, which was supposed to be this weekend. Actually, yeah, it was supposed to be today, but I changed it to June 4th. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've purchased thus far because you guys really like these videos, and I really get nice stuff, you know, like I get nice decor. I don't get that cheap stuff. And you know, when you're doing things yourself, you want to get things that look good but are affordable, right? We're not like getting those stuff from Dollar Tree. Well, maybe I am. we're not gonna hate on Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree be having some stuff in here. I'm gonna have to go in there and get some like little vases to put some little flowers in, okay? But I got some good stuff for you guys, and I want to show it to you because I've been really looking and trying to plan this picnic for some time now, and like looking for ideas and little things. Like, it's just a lot. It's really overwhelming, and I really haven't found the things that I really want to get still, and that's why there will be a part 2 to this video. Yeah, I feel like I'm still missing some things, like for instance like the glasses. Like, I have some like champagne and wine glasses, but I'm not sure if I want to use those yet. So I'm really just trying to find like glasses. Like, why are glasses so hard to find? And I want pink ones, I guess, but then if you do find them, they're like $100 for 6. Like, so it's just been a long process, and let's just get right into this video. So I'm having a graduation picnic, and so far I'm going to show you probably what I got first. And not all this stuff is from Ikea, but I did run and get these pink candles from Ikea. So I got a couple of these pink candles, and I plan on putting them somewhere on the table, just to make, you know, the table look cute. Yeah, they're cherry. I don't know, the smell is okay, but these are the pink candles that I got from Ikea. Yeah, and I'm gonna use them somehow, some way. Also, you guys, so I want to make my event personalized, so I got these cute personalized names of everyone who will be sitting with me at my table. I got everyone's name, and there's about 20 people. Unfortunately, I like next time I do this, like if I ever do this again, I'm limiting the amount of people because that is what is just eating up my budget. So yeah, it's really cute, and I got it from this is the second one that broke. So annoying. I had to glue, it just broke literally. I had to hot glue it on, but it's still cute. I'll still list the don't not buy it. If you got a hot glue, it's an easy fix, okay, you guys? So do not buy it because it broke. You could easily just fix it back, but this is the second one that did break. But I'll still list their business. I got it from Etsy, and I think it's a good buy. Like, regardless that it's breaking, I think it's a good buy. And it was really affordable. I think I paid, I don't know how much I paid. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll link that in the description. I also got these little pink cute candles from Ikea. I got a whole bunch of them. I'll incorporate this somewhere on my table somehow as well. I also got this cute tray. I don't know probably what the name is for it. I got 2 of these, and I got these from HomeGoods. They're so cute. They're like a nice golden look, but it's not that gold, like bright gold. But I got this from HomeGoods, and I think it's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet, but I'm gonna put something in here, and it's gonna be cute, and it's gonna be on my table. Next, I got these cute picture frames from Ikea. I really don't know what's gonna be in them. What I'm thinking is, because I don't know if I'm gonna put a picture of me, but what I'm thinking is getting a picture of a flower and putting it inside, because I don't really, the only graduation picture that I really have so far is this one. So I don't really know what else I'll put in here, and I really don't know how much I paid for these. Is there a receipt in here? Nope. I don't know how much I paid for these, guys. Sorry, but I got these from Ikea. I think they're really cute, and I got 4 of them. I might put 2 on the table and 2 somewhere else. Now, originally, my plan was to get like different place mats and put them all on the table, but to find 20 different placemats, you guys, was a headache. So I gave up, and I'll show you the new placemats that I have. But I'm gonna use these. Now these I just got from like your regular dollar store. I don't think they were a dollar, but I got them from like a 99-cent store. And I was gonna do like, you know how I was buying 2 of the same, so everyone in your line would have a different one, but the person across from you would have the same. So I was gonna do something like that. So I just was starting to buy like 2 of each, but these are from the dollar store. But it was just too much of a headache, you guys. I couldn't find like 2 of the same ones that I like, and then I was gonna get different colors, but then I kept getting gold, and I'm just like, I'm over it. I also got, what is this? I don't know. I also got this cute placemat. I thought it was going to be shorter. You should have saw the box that this came in. It was humongous. I got this from West Elm, you guys. I think that's how you say their name. And I got it for sale. So I got 2 for I think it was $9.99. So I think this was a good steal. I really don't know. I know I'm gonna put the cake on one of these, but that's what I got so far. So also I got these bad boys from HomeGoods. So I got 4 of these. I'm not gonna take all of them out, but I got 4 of these. They're so cute. Is the receipt in here? Yes, I can show y'all how much I paid for it. $7.99. These were $7.99 from HomeGoods. So cute. So I'm gonna, like, you know, obviously stretch these out. I'm gonna put these on the table. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. So cute. It's like a nice marble. I don't know what color this is, but it's so cute and I love it. So I got 4 of those. That's going on the table. Ugh. I have this cute flower, but it was actually a Mother's Day gift. But I'm using it for my picnic. So I'm gonna use this for the picnic. I don't know where this was purchased, you guys, but it's going on my table because it's cute and it matches my theme that I'm trying to do. So I got these little things from these, whatever, the dried leaves, flowers from HomeGoods. And let me tell y'all, you guys, HomeGoods be trying to get me because they were originally $7.99 and then some of them were priced $9.99. And then the lady was like, oh, some of them are from last year, so that's why they're $7.99. I kindly went back and got all the ones that were $7.99 as anybody would have done and put those $9.99 ones back, okay, because y'all wasn't about to get me. But these are cute. I don't know how I'm gonna incorporate these yet, but I'm gonna put it there somehow, some way. Next, I got these cute pink, what do you call these guys? I don't know. I don't know what they're called. I don't know how much I paid for them either. I think they were probably like $20-something. But these are cute. I got 2 of these that I'm probably gonna put it in front of the little circle thing. And let's go into my box because that's where all the good stuff is at. So these are my new placemats, and when I tell you guys I'm obsessed with them, like, I think these are so cute. Like, they're so unique, they're different. I've not seen anybody with these ever, and I've been looking on Instagrams and no one has these. So these are cute. I love them. Oh, one fell. I cannot wait to put these on the table. So I've ordered some stuff today and it's coming. So like I said, you guys stay tuned for that part 2. I've also ordered these pillow covers from Amazon. When I tell you I spent like $400 for pillows and pillow covers, like, this is ridiculous. But this is gonna get, it's gonna get the look going, what I'm looking for. So these are 18 by 18. It's a little small, but this is what I purchased. Then I got this light pink one. These are the 20 by 20, and I love the size of these, so I'm happy about that. Isn't that cute? Amazon. So next, that was all in the box. Next, I got this cute umbrella, y'all. When I say cute, so freaking cute. Hold on. Okay, so I can't take, I'm gonna take it out just to show you guys, but I'm not gonna open it. Look how cute this umbrella is. Like, what? It's so freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh. So we're gonna be blocking the sun. This umbrella was $200, and I actually didn't pay for this. My sister paid for it. Thank you so much, sis. So Amazon is where I purchased it. Where she purchased it. It's definitely a good buy. It's gonna fit the theme, the look. It's gonna be cute. Okay, moving right along. I got these cute, whatever these are. What is this? What do you guys call this? I don't know. Okay, it doesn't even say it on the freaking thing. These are $20. How much was this one? $16.99. But it was so cute. I had to get it. It's going with my whole theme that I'm going for. And I just stuck that pink candle that I showed you guys earlier. I just put that one in there. They had one already, but I just took it out and I was like, yeah, the pink one is gonna go in here. And it's just so cute. It's just giving the vibe and the look. I love how the strings are different. So I'm excited for that. And I got one more thing. I don't know if I can even lift it up. Oh yeah, I can. It's not that heavy. So I got this cute whatever this is. What is this, y'all? I don't even know these words. This table, I guess I'm gonna call it a table. From HomeGoods. And I just stuck that West Elm thing right on top. This where my cake would be, right on here. This was $80, y'all. I really did not want to let that go, so I went ahead and I purchased it. That is everything so far. It's really not a lot. There's some more stuff coming today, so you know what, I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll probably definitely do another video of that, of what's coming today. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on here or make a part 2. I haven't decided yet. Oh, let me show you the games that I got so far. So I got the classic Malachi. I got this from Five Below. When I saw it, I was like, "Ooh, we can play Malachi!" And I was really excited. And I also got Connect. Four in a row? Oh yeah, Connect 4. I'm like, what? I got Connect 4, you guys, and I think it's so cute for the colors. I do want to implement some like blue, green, like blue turquoise colors inside, but I haven't really figured out like how I wanted to put those colors in. But I may buy some like more gold pillows, some more pink, some more. I may get like some hints of like blue. Let's see, y'all. I don't know why I picked my camera up, put it back down. But that is all I got so far. I'm really super excited. I cannot wait. There's some more stuff coming. I actually bought the pillows. I bought a TP. What else did I get? I can't remember. But some more stuff is coming today. I can't wait to see it. Like I said, I may put it on this one, or I may do another one. I do have to go to Dollar Tree. Gotta get some little vases, y'all. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. Where else? HomeGoods. Gonna go back to HomeGoods, and that's about it. I think for the decorations, I'm just about done. I may have to just find some cute little knickknacks to put on my table, but I'm really excited. I cannot wait to have my picnic. Can't wait to see my family, can't wait to see my friends, and just have a good event, a good time, a good turn up, and enjoy each other's company. So you guys, this is the ending of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome, join the family. I don't know if I'm gonna do my giveaway, you guys, because you guys were not engaged in my giveaway. I was trying to get someone to just leave a comment, and nobody left a comment. I was gonna give an amazing giveaway, so to be continued with the giveaway. Yeah, to be continued. I don't know what else, you know. I need you guys to be engaged, like, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.